Yo, it's your boy Mulafitness here and I'm back with another video, man. Today I'm gonna be recording biceps, or mainly arms. Today, nothing else, just a 10-minute straight arm workout for you guys. Let's get straight into it, man. So for the first workout, I'm gonna start off with pull-ups. I know I was already doing pull-ups before, but don't mind that. Let's get straight into the pull-ups, man. Make sure you do the close grip, so you're not just targeting back. The close grip targets biceps, a little bit of back, but don't focus on that. Focus more on your biceps. Do this for 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Let's work, man. Next off, we're gonna hop straight into cable bicep curl. Let's aim for 15 reps, slow and steady, so you feel the biceps. You don't have to go too heavy. So make sure you get through all 3 sets or 15 reps. All right, so your hands close to your body. Let it stay. Don't move your elbows back. Let your forearms do the work. You target straight biceps. Let's work, man. Feels good. Push through 3 sets, 15 reps. It's your boy Mulafitness. All right, I'm gonna hop straight into straight underarm barbell curl to target forearms a little bit more. You know, if you're working arms, you're not targeting forearms, you're doing something wrong. You gotta work your forearms and your biceps at the same time. Because you don't want to have big biceps and small forearms. It doesn't really match. Feel me? So I'm going to do close grip, underarm for 15 reps. Let's work. God damn. It's your boy Mulafitness. Let's work, man. All right, for a wind down, I'm gonna do a kettlebell. This is 20 pounds, single arm curl. For one arm up, the other one holding the kettlebell, and then we curl. 15 reps, let's go. Felt that one. Do the same thing for the other side. 15 reps, 3 sets. Let's work, man. I feel good. I barely work biceps. So for me to target biceps like this a lot, hey man, I don't know, man. I'm doing this for y'all. Thank you for watching my YouTube. Okay, next off, we got hammer curls. I don't want to go too heavy and I don't want to go too light. So my sweet spot gonna be 75 pounds. I'm gonna alternate. We're gonna do alternate hammer curls. We do 10 here on the left and we do 10 on the right. Let's get straight to work, man. Hopefully I can do this all the way through. All right, 75. I'm gonna get a little closer. So let's work. 20 reps. Let's work, man. 14. You know what I said about sweet spot? That was way too heavy. I'm gonna dial it down a little bit. All right, next off, we're gonna go straight into a curl twist. I hate this workout, but it's really good for the biceps, the forearms, and maybe shoulders. I'm not really sure, but let's get straight into it, man. I'm gonna go really light, 25 pounds. Let's work, man. Five more. I really feel my biceps and my forearms burning a lot. If you feel your forearms burning, you're doing something right, because it targets your forearms a lot. I'm really pumped up right now. It's your boy Mulafitness. Let's work, man. All right, it's getting too late for a final bicep workout. We're gonna do a plate curl. But for this workout, we're just gonna do like half reps. We're not really gonna do too much. We're gonna start from the bottom and we're gonna end right here. So we're not going all the way up. We're going for the little peak in the biceps. Right here, we're going for this peak right here. Let's work. 10 reps. My biceps are on fire, so I'm gonna go for straight 10. Do 4 sets, 10 reps. Let's work, man. It feels good because it targets biceps, forearms as well. It's like a hammer curl. It gives your biceps a different kind of feeling, even though it's the same movement. This workout, it's a little wider, and it gives your biceps a little some, you feel me? Do this workout for 4 sets, 10 reps, man. It's your boy Mulafitness. Thank you for making it all the way this far into the video. Make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe, man. Mulafitness out.